Welcome to Subramani. One question which I keep getting asked, last 3 days some 6-7 people, or last 2 days some 6-7 people have asked me is, now that the market has reached 60,000, should I withdraw money from the market, sit by the sideline and then reinvest the same? Now this sounds like a very simple question, right? Should I withdraw from the market at 60,000? The only answer which I can truthfully give is to say, I don't know. I'm not doing anything like that. All my money is in equity. Of course, I've been booking profits and keeping some money in cash, but not really too much, not very significant, maybe 5-6%, 10% of my portfolio at best. Well, that's what I am doing. What you should do, you have to decide. Now, let us come to the question. Market has reached 60,000, should I withdraw? Now, what you're actually asking me is, market has reached 60,000, is this the peak or will the market come down? Because if I told you that the market, yes, market is at its peak, you should withdraw money and keep it in cash, and if you do it and the market goes to 62,000 or worst case 65,000, then you're going to say what you said was wrong. I'm not participating in the last 5,000 and I wanted to participate. You did not ask me that. So the question is this the peak that the market has reached for now? Answer is I don't know, right? I don't know even that. So the question is, can the market go higher? Maybe it can go higher. Can the market go lower? Maybe it can go lower. Can it remain at the same point for a long period of time? Yes, that is also possible. So unless I can answer your question, is this the market peak? Will it fall? And will it fall and I know where it will stop falling? Let's say I think it will stop falling at 52,000. So I should tell you, don't buy anything till it reaches 52,000. Then at 52,000, I should be able to tell you, now put all your money back into the market because it's going to go up. Then the market should go up from 52,000 and go up right up beyond 60,000, because otherwise you're going to feel, array, what did I do, right? Right? So you need all answers to all these questions. Is the market at its high? I think yes, it is already at its all-time high. Will it go higher? I don't know. Will it remain steady? I don't know. Will it fall? I don't know. If it falls, let's say it falls, and I think it will fall right up to 50,000, and it turns out that at 50,900 or 51,000 it turned back and went back to 62,000. So maybe I got the top right, but I did not get the bottom right. I did not know how much to withdraw and how much to invest, because ideally you should have done with your whole portfolio, sold off everything at 60,000 or 61,000 and then bought it back at 52,000. Now look at my position. Suppose it goes up from 60 to 65 and then it falls to 52, and I say now buy it, and you buy it, you are then again going to say, oh, you should have told me to sell at 65, no? Why did you ask me to sell at 60? As though I knew perfectly, oh, this is the red light, this is the amber light, this is the green light. Nobody knows this. So some of us are very smart and very lucky that we know that we don't know this. Some of the people who come on different media don't know that they don't know. Some people who come know that they don't know, but it is their business to pretend as they know. These are the only 3-4 categories. Some of us get it lucky and say, wow, I called the top, right? Some of us, but it does not mean that at that point we sold all the shares that we had and we waited for the market to fall. We didn't know that. We were also guessing. So I don't know. I remember calling the bottom perfectly last time in 2000 and not in 2018, 2017. I could do that, but that does not mean that every time I will be able to do that. So reasonably I've been able to be good with the market calls, but I don't take market calls because I take individual calls. I'm more interested in knowing whether Indigo will do well, whether Mahindra Holiday Resorts will do well, whether Colgate will do well, whether Cummins will do well. Honestly, I don't really care what happens to the market. So that is my position. So whether to buy, sell, what to do, take your own decisions. This is a wrong channel for you to find a quick answer to some question like that.